Hey everyone, you're on the TechnoNick channel. Today we're going to have a very unusual review. Today we're driving around in this souped up Audi. Today we're going to talk about the 70mai T400 dash cam as well as the T800 model. We'll study them in more detail today, see how they work, daytime shooting as well as nighttime. We'll do it all on such a beautiful car, on an Audi. In short, there will be two new dash cams from 70mai at once. One is designed for those who want excellent 3-channel recording without overpaying, and the second is a real flagship with a huge number of features, goodies, and functions that we'll look at and analyze together today. These dash cams have a huge amount of modern technology, so sit back, give us a like, subscribe to the channel, and let's go to the review. Friends, lately the requirements for dash cams, as you know, have changed significantly. If before it was enough to just record the road ahead, today many people even want to see what's happening around the car as well. Front, back, and even inside the cabin. That's why 3-channel systems are becoming more and more popular now. And we'll start, friends, right with the older model. This is the 70mai 4K T800. The main feature of this dash cam, guys, is that it's the world's first 3-channel system with dual 4K recording. The front camera shoots in 4K, the rear camera also shoots in 4K, and the interior camera records what's happening inside the car in full HD quality. Essentially, you get a full view of your car with practically no blind spots. This can be especially useful in controversial road situations, in parking lots, as well as for taxi and car sharing drivers. Modern Sony STARVIS 2 sensors installed in the front and rear cameras are responsible for the image quality. In practice, guys, this means a more detailed picture during the day and a significantly improved picture at night compared to other ordinary dash cams. In short, license plates, road signs, and various details of road installations, all of this, friends, is much easier to read. Another very important point is the 3-channel HDR recording. The system helps preserve details in both bright and dark areas of the frame. For example, when exiting a tunnel, driving against the sun, or in bright sunlight. Also, friends, Make Color Vivid plus Solution technology is used here. Even in difficult lighting conditions, the recording remains of the highest quality, as well as clear and, importantly, informative. The interior camera, friends, deserves special attention. It features 4 infrared LEDs, which allow it to record everything happening, even in a dark cabin. If you, for example, often work in a taxi or transport passengers, this feature can be very useful. Also, for parking protection, 70mai LumaVision technology is provided. Basically, this feature helps the dash cam see what's happening near the car better, even at night. Also, the T800 supports 4G connectivity. Through the app, you can receive event notifications, view videos, and track the car's location. There's also a built-in GPS module that records the travel route as well as the car's speed. For file storage, high-capacity memory cards are supported. Additionally, it features smart parking guard mode and voice control, an ADAS driver assistance system, and modern Wi-Fi 6 for fast file transfer to your smartphone. Now, friends, let's move on to the T400 model. This is a more affordable solution for those who need a high-quality 3-channel dash cam without having to overpay for flagship options. Like the older model, the T400 can record what's happening in front as well as behind and inside the car's cabin. The front camera here shoots in 1440p resolution and also supports HDR. And this, of course, allows for a high-quality picture under various lighting conditions. The interior camera here is equipped with infrared lighting for night shooting, so this dash cam will also suit not only regular motorists, but also taxi drivers. Additional features include GPS, parking monitoring, emergency event recording with a memory buffer, and support for memory cards up to 512 gigabytes. In short, guys, after testing both models, I can say this: Each of these models solves its own task. If you need maximum features, dual 4K, also Sony STARVIS 2, 4G and LumaVision, and advanced smart functions, then of course the logical choice would be the T800 model. If you just need a good and reliable 3-channel dash cam for every day with good recording quality and a basic set of features, then the T400 model also looks like a very worthy option. As always, I'll leave all the links and all the necessary information in the description below the video. Go check it out, guys. If you're interested in these models, you can go ahead and order them. And you are on the TechnoNick channel. This was a review of the 70mai T400 and T800 dash cams. Thank you all so much for watching. Good luck to everyone, and bye.